Hey, I'm taller than you.
I got this.
You got this? Fire, Marcelo, fire.
I got this.
Oh!
Oh my God. What is that, Marcelo?
Ultron.
Show it to your friends.
It's Ultron.
It's Ultron? Open it up, open it up.
Okay.
Wow, look.
Whoa, it's cool.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it is talk.
It's an Avenger. It's the bad guy of the Avengers.
Yeah, and then it's fitted, and I want to watch the Avengers.
You want to watch the Avengers?
I watched already the Avengers.
Oh, you watched the Avengers already. Oh yeah, Ultron.
Yeah, Mommy, I watched already the Avengers.
Yeah, open it up, open it up. I want to see, I want to see.
Ultron?
Oh, he fires flame too?
Yeah.
Like Iron Man?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I see them.
Are you sure?
Yes, on the TV. I see a part of black stuff.
See a blaster there?
Yeah, but I see over there.
Yeah, but get it out of the package.
Oh, I got this.
You got it? Come on, open it fast. Your friends wants to see. Wow, look. Show your friends what he has. Look. He can move his legs. What does he have? Oh, he's the guy who was fighting with Iron Man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
Wow, show your friends what you can do. Oh, it's turning around completely? Look. Oh.
Maybe do like that.
Ah. What's the song he does? Mighty battles. What he can do. Yeah.
The legs, the arms.
He can move the legs. Wow, he's turning around. He's firing at Iron Man to all the Avengers because he's the bad guy, Marcelo.
Yeah, he comes and he killed Spider-Man and he killed Captain America.
He did?
Yeah.
I thought that was Thanos.
No, I thought it was he.
Really?
Yeah, I see on the TV it was killing people.
That's so nice. Wow, look. Ah, he's moving his leg with his arm. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, I just
He can walk. He can walk.
Ah, he can walk.
Leg and move
Oh,
his
look.
arm.
He waves his arm as he moves his legs. He's firing at Iron Man?
yeah, like what is doing like?
What is he doing? Oh, look, he's turning all around.
And then my hands over here.
Wow, he can move all the arm all the way down. Oh, look. Wow, that's like cool.
Yeah, but it's just
What else can do? Ah, he's walking like that, Marcelo?
Hey, you.
Oh, look who just arrived. Now this battle is gonna get sweet.
Take it.
He's trying to fight.
Wow, now Iron Man have to fight with Ultron, Marcelo.
yeah, he has power like Iron Man
Yeah,
in here.
do it now. Now I want to see that fight. Yeah, I'm Ultron. I'm going to fight with you, Iron Man.
I got this.
You got this. Come, fire. Fight, fight, fight.
I got this.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm taller than you.
I got this.
You got this? Fire, Marcelo, fire.
I got this.
Oh!
Wow, look, he's moving his arm. Woo!
Ah.
Oh, Iron Man just died?
Yeah, Ultron win. Ultron win.
No.
Ultron win. Ultron win.
Tell your friend, remember to subscribe.
Ultron win.
Marcelo.
Ultron win.
Say bye-bye.
Ultron